Hello students, hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty God. In my previous video, I started lesson explanation part of 18. Name of lesson is Seasons. Today I am going to explain you about autumn and winter season. Anyhow, you all are aware of winter season, but I believe you don't have a perfect knowledge about version of autumn. So let me explain you few points on it and show you some pictures so that you can understand about autumn also. An autumn season in India is the time of year when the leaves fall off the trees, from the trees, and the colors are amazing. It's a beautiful season. It is also called as the fall season. What is that also called as? The fall season. Let me show you some pictures of this. These are some beautiful pictures of autumn. Here you can see leaves are fall off from the trees. Now a little bit explanation about winter season. Winter season comes after the rainy weather. In this time the weather remains cool. The cool wind blows. The cold wind blows. So in this season always it will be cool. People wear woolen clothes. In this season we like to wear woolen clothes. The days become very short and nights become longer. This is very important point to be remember. The days become very short and nights become longer. People prefer hot tea and coffee. What people would like to drink? Hot tea and coffee. We get fruits like apples, oranges, grapes in this season. This is one of the most important point. Listen carefully. People go on picnics at this time. Many winter flowers like marigold, petunia are found at this time. Winter brings pain to the living world because the day become short and the night become longer, and it takes time to rises in the sun, or as we can say sunrise. It takes more time to sunrise. Now listen today's explanation part. October and November are the months when the weather is neither cool nor hot. The days are a bit warmer. The days are very warmer, bit warmer. This is the Indian version of autumn. Mornings, evenings and nights are pleasant. People go on short vacation. Why I have explained you just now. Since this is the time of Diwali and Dussehra, from December starts the cool period of the year. From December starts the cold period of year, which we call the winter season. From the month of December, the winter season starts. Winter lasts from December to February. The temperature goes down and can touch 0 degrees Celsius at hill stations or even in Amritsar. The temperature goes down and can touch 0 degrees Celsius, means it will be very cool in that places. What is the place he mentioned here? Amritsar. Let me show you the pictures of it. Students, these are some pictures of 0 degrees Celsius temperature, and this picture, first picture belongs to Amritsar and it goes down, is touched 0.4 degrees Celsius over there. It is very cool because it's a hilly area. We can call it as an hilly area too. In this picture you can see people are taking fire, or what to say, people are to make them warm. How they do this? People burn firewood to keep themselves warm, and they wear woolen clothes. Let me show you some pictures. These are the pictures where people are taking fire. For what reason? To make them warm. In some hilly villages or else in some hilly areas as well as villages, people follow this to make them strong and warm. And people are wearing woolen clothes. People are wearing woolen clothes. In this season, people prefer to wear woolen clothes. In cities, people use heaters to keep themselves warm. People living in hilly area do not like winter. Why they don't like winter? Because it is too cold there. Heavy snowfall makes day-to-day life difficult. Heavy snowfall makes day-to-day life difficult. For what? For what reason? Work comes to the standstill. Meaning of stand, stand, still, still. Let me explain you. Listen the pronunciation.
Stand still.
Listen the pronunciation.
Stand still.
Yeah. What it means? A situation or condition in which there is no movement or activity at all. It's a season or it's a situation or condition in which there is no movement or activity at all. This is the reason who lives people who lives in hilly stations, they don't like this season. The people who lives in hilly areas, they don't like this season, right? People look forward to the clear day when they can get some sunshine and move about easily in the warmth. So they wait for sunshine, and it takes some time for it, some what to say, more time to sunshine in these areas. I underlined few vocabulary here. I believe with the explanation part and some clips and all, you got to understand clearly what is autumn and winter season. So your duty, whatever words I highlighted here, work on that. Thank you. Have a nice day.